If you see the toolbar, here two tiny arrows are given. If you click it, it'll show into double columns. If you wish, you can keep it in a single column or double. My habit is to keep it in single column usually. You can change it as you wish. Some tools I'd like to show. Number 1 is this Move tool, second is Marquee tool here. Now what's this Marquee tool and Move tool? Means we haven't selected one object only but just some pixels. Or say, in our whole canvas, this part is currently the active area. Now whatever will work, it'll remain in this selection only. Apart from selection, Move tool is used for moving things. So first of all, keep in mind the very first important matter, that is layer. Let me share a small thing immediately as a brush tool is given here. And make this line with the tool. Now remember, this line I painted just above the background layer. Now if I try to move it with Move tool, it'll show error. Just forget it, not needed now, just keep in mind that it's not moving. Because it's not a separate object, I just painted the pixels of this background layer. It's like I spray paint the wall behind me, okay. And if I later want to move it elsewhere, won't be possible. If you really want to move, what'll you do? We'll take a new layer from here, here's the button for it. And now if I paint here, then yes, it can be moved with Move tool. Why? Because it's a separate thing now. Some as if I mounted a glass on the wall and paint on it. Now I can easily move that glass, right? Glass, similarly imagine the layer as transparent glass, and we make separate things on top of each. Every object stay detached from each other, so we can move or transform them easily. And if not wanted, easily can delete it, right? So layer are a great friend, please form a good friendship with them. Just keep your mind that whatever you build new things, you're taking a new layer too. It's beneficial for your solely. If you don't want, don't take, no issues. Subscribe, like, share.